Hello students, this is your experiment number 25, that is to identify unknown unorganized crude drug with the help of physical and chemical test. So we have to test three drugs: cotton, silk and wool. Now what is the term fiber is? The term fiber is, it is used with reference to surgical dressing and made up of natural and artificial origin. Chemically, cellulose is its chief active constituent. Okay, that means cotton, silk and wool, they are used as a surgical dressing and they are the fibers and they contain cellulose as a chemical constituent. Under this category, under this experiment, we have to see the physical taste. Generally the color, odor, taste, solubility of the drug we have to check, while chemical test is performed to confirm the genuine identity of the drug. So today we will go for the first drug, that is cotton. Its synonym is cotton wool, purified cotton, absorbent cotton and surgical cotton. In Sanskrit it is called as carpus or carpus or carpus. Biological source, it is absorbent cotton is epidermal hairs of a seed of cultivated species of Gossypium herbaceum or other species of Gossypium belonging to family Malvaceae that are free from impurities and deprived of fatty material, bleached and sterilized. That means the raw cotton is obtained from the epidermal hairs of the species Gossypium herbaceum, and then it is treated to remove the impurities and then it is made absorbent. So that you have to remove the fatty material, bleach and then you have to sterilize the cotton. That cotton is used as a absorbent cotton. Now what are the physical taste of this drug? Color is white due to bleaching. Odor is odorless, taste is tasteless, size is 2.5 to 4.5 cm in length and 25 to 35 micron in diameter. Second drug is silk. Its biological source, these are the fibers obtained from the cocoons of Bombyx mori, or it is called as a mulberry silkworm, and other species of Bombyx and also from Anthracea species. Its family is Bombycidae. Order is Lepidopetra. Physical taste, silk fibers are soft and smooth and possesses considerable tensile strength. Silk threads are usually yellowish in color and are fine and smooth. Silk is soluble in an ammonical copper oxide solution and in concentrated hydrochloric acid. Third drug is wool. Its synonym is animal wool or sheep's wool. Biological source, it is obtained from the protective covering or fleece of the sheep, Ovis aries, belonging to family Bovidae, order Ungulata. Physical taste, wool consists of elastic, lustrous, more or less curly, smooth hairs. The hairs are slippery to touch and occur as loosely fitted masses. Wool is not appreciably soluble in warm hydrochloric acid or in cold sulfuric acid. Now we will go for the chemical test one by one. First one is the cotton. Here you can see the test for chemical test for cotton. First you have to soak the cotton in iodine water and then dry, and plus you have to add 80% sulfuric acid. You will get a purplish blue or bluish green color. That means cotton is confirmed. This is your cotton sample. Okay, I have taken some piece of it and we have to add iodine water. Here you can see I have soaked the cotton sample with the iodine water. Okay, dry it. Now I will add H2SO4 80%. Here you can see there is a bluish color occurred to the trichomes, which gives this blue color, bluish color. In second test you have to take the coaxum reagent and to that we have to add cotton sample. It dissolves the raw cotton fibers in coaxum reagent. That is confirmed. Here you can see I have taken coaxum reagent. Okay, to that I will put the fibers of this cotton. You can see it get dissolved in the coaxum reagent. Here you can see the cotton fibers has dissolved in coaxum reagent. That means cotton is present. Third test, you have to take cotton plus iodinated zinc chloride. You will get violet color. That means cotton is confirmed. Here you can see I have taken iodinated zinc chloride and to that I have put the fibers, cotton fibers. You can see there is a violet color to the fibers. That means it contains a starch and cotton is present. This is sample number 2, that is a silk sample. Okay, so first stage we have to take silk fibers. To that we have to add picric acid and then we have to boil it. You will get a permanent yellow color or red stain. That means silk is present. Here you can see I have taken a fiber, silk fiber in a test tube. To that I will put a picric acid and boil it. Here you can see I have boiled the sample and you can see the fibers which got the yellow color. That means silk is present. In second test, we have to take silk fiber plus 5% KOH and plus lead acetate solution. You will get white precipitate. That means silk is present. Here you can see I have taken silk fibers. To that I have added KOH 5% KOH solution. After that I have added lead acetate solution. Here you can see white precipitate has produced. That means silk is present. Here you can see this is wool sample, but it is colored one. So I will directly take the fourth test, that is wool plus potassium hydroxide plus lead acetate solution. It will give you black precipitate. That means wool is confirmed. Here you can see I have taken wool sample. To that I have added potassium hydroxide and I will add now lead acetate solution, which will give you black precipitate. Okay, here you can see there is a black precipitate at the bottom of the test tube. That means wool is confirmed.